Our dear teachers, I invite you to a teacher education program entitled Ang Batang Mautak Matatag, an educational neuropsychology for school teachers. Without the brain, learning will never happen. Without the understanding of the basic of the brain dynamics, brain development, and brain health, your school is building a huge problematic gap between teaching, learning, and assessment. It means that your curriculum is not grounded in the natural order of the mind, the brain. Without the basic understanding of the brain dynamics and brain development, we disconnect children from their optimal capacities and potentials. It is a fact that the Philippine educational system is in limbo and in a quagmire of systemic uncertainties. And the Secretary of the Department of Education, Vice President Sara Duterte, asserted this fact.
Filipino learners are not academically proficient. Filipino learners experience emotional abuse and exhaustion. Some Filipino learners suffer from psychological fatigue. And being academically insecure, many of them fail to meet the standards of the demanding and competitive world.
Ang katotohanan sa malaking problema sa sistema ng ating edukasyon ay isang mabigat na sampal sa talino ni Dr. Jose Rizal. Paano magiging pag-asa ng bayan ang ating mga kabataan kung ganito ang resulta ng ating edukasyon? Ang sasabihin ni Dr. Jose Rizal, ginawa ninyo akong national hero, ginawa ninyo akong bayani, pero ano ang nangyayari sa utak ng ating mga kabataan? That is why I'm offering brain pedagogy. Brain pedagogy is an advocacy that our learning community will have sufficient information about brain dynamics and brain care. Without the understanding of the power of the brain, our education will go nowhere. Without brain care and brain health, absolutely, many of our children will be left behind. Bilang isang guro, buhayin natin ang paghubog ng maraming Jose Rizal at bayani sa utak ng ating mga kabataan. This is the clear evidence of the progress of education. Our dear teachers, brain pedagogy, educational neuropsychology for school teachers, ang Batang Mautak Matatag is one of my advocacy works. So what does it mean? I'm giving this training program for free. And why am I doing this? So this is my way of spreading the information about brain development and brain care in the context of education. On the other hand, also, I am very much aware of the challenges and pressing issues in the educational system. And this is my way of responding and contributing to those challenges. So I'm hoping that you give me an opportunity to share with you brain pedagogy, not for my own sake, but for the sake of the development of our children, the Filipino children, and for the sake of our country, the Philippines. Sa ginigiliw nating mga guro, mga teachers, maraming salamat po. Salamat sa pakikinig, salamat sa inyong tiwala, at salamat sa inyong suporta. Naway bigyan niyo ako ng pagkakataon na maibahagi ang brain pedagogy para sa utak ng ating kabataan at para sa katatagan ng ating bayan. Salamat. Ako po si Dr. Aren. Ako po ay isang registered clinical and educational psychologist dito sa Pilipinas.